Oh my god, there's a spider on me. That freaking jumping. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What's up, everybody? I'm out here with Ryan is fishing.
There's a giant spider on me right now.
And we're about to find shark's teeth. Come on, pick up. This guy's like the guru of weird crap out here.
Hello?
Derek, it's Mike Shramko. You there?
Yeah, how's it going?
Good. You guys finding? Got any good news or what?
Yeah, are you going out there?
Yeah, I'm heading out there right now.
Are you?
Should
The
I?
guys have been finding some good ones.
You have? Good.
Yeah, the guys out there have been finding some real good ones. You gotta be careful, the water's real low. A lot of snakes.
All right. I got
A lot of snakes.
I got boots just in case, snake leg.
Yeah, make sure you got food.
And we wore bright colors in case the gators are bad.
Yeah, I'm sure you'll see plenty of gators too. It should be good out there. See a lot. I have pictures of some guys that found some real big ones.
4 inches, 3 inches.
So, 3. I think one of them was like 3.5.
That'd be sweet.
They found some good ones the past couple of weeks.
All right.
Like I said, the water's real low. You just gotta be careful, man. There's a lot of snakes.
All right. Well,
snakes.
I'll make. What type of snakes?
Moccasins. A lot of moccasins.
All right. Well, I'll make everybody else go in the water. Are they up by the trees or down in the water right this time of year?
Mostly, there are bushes in the water. You don't want to come up on a net though.
All right. Well, I got some contenders in the back. We'll put them in there.
Yeah.
We're gonna die.
You don't want to end up in a moccasin net. You guys will end up having a real bad afternoon, but stay out of the bushes.
All right. We'll let you know how we did. Thanks for the heads up.
All right, yeah, send me some pictures. I'd like to see it.
You got it.
Good luck.
Thanks.
All right.
Bye.
He's stressing so badly now.
I don't like snakes.
I love them.
No. And I'm letting you know, she's gonna try to grab a water moccasin.
I don't like
today.
love bugs.
No, I'm not.
You better not. Oh my god, the snake is touching.
If they have a snake hook, I will. If they don't, I won't.
It's gonna be crazy.
Well, if you get snake bit, Lauren can suck the
I'm just
poison
gonna
out.
add
We'll
to the
make a
video.
belt
It's
out
more
of it.
clickbait.
Maybe some shoes.
Girlfriend gets bit by a snake.
I'ma live like I'm alive, like I'm alive, like there's no forever.
Oh my god, a gator!
What's up, everybody? We hope you had a good time today.
We got this sun to chase, so little time to waste, so I won't let it pass me by. 'Cause for a moment I'm alive. Yeah, for a moment I'm alive. For a moment I'ma spend my time feeling like every single thing's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Just for a moment.
Basically what we're doing is we're going up and down the river. We're trying to find any little crevice where all this hard, heavy sediment will fall to the bottom, or scooping it up. And then we're just going ahead and we're dropping it right up inside this homemade catch thing that my brother made that I borrowed, and I'm probably not gonna get back. But, and then when you take it like this, shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Oh, looks like a little lava came out there. And then you just start looking like this. You take your hand, and we're not really finding big ones or they would stick out right away, but you just kind of comb like this, wash it, and all these little rectangles and squares that you see are literally, no way. Is that a ruby? Hey, is this an emerald?
Let me see.
What are they called? What are the green ones?
Sea glass.
That's sea glass.
Oh, I like my story better.
Is that sea glass? That is sea glass.
Look, so I'm just brushing it apart, and then boom, I found that. Now, I honestly don't know what type of shark tooth that is. If anybody knows what that is, I've never seen a shark's tooth that shape. I don't know if that's some type of crazy dinosaur tooth or what it is. There's a part of a dinosaur leg. Oh, that's a stick. We're just gonna keep sifting through this. We'll come back to you in a little while when we find a better spot. We're gonna hop up and down the river till we can find a really concentrated area full of them.
Won't watch this same movie again. Windows and doors can't keep me in. I feel my heart underneath my skin.
We're gonna shift this way a little bit and try to get a visual of what the river was doing a long time ago as to where it is now, and so we can find a lot more sediments and shark's teeth. Let's go right now.
Stepping out into the unknown. Stepping out, oh, stepping out to whatever's coming on. Stepping out, I'm a man on fire. Sounds crazy, but I never lose. Oh, you know I'm gonna give it all I got. Do what I came to do. I'm a man on fire, and my day is overdue. This burn is never gonna stop. Do what I came to do. I'm a man on fire.
Whoa, what the heck is this? This is insane. Mike, what the heck is that, bro? What is that thing, dude? It has like a little rivet.
That's an alien shoulder pad.
Guys, this is an alien shoulder pad right there.
It's probably hard to tell in the video, but when you feel this stuff and you know it's actually a legit fossil, it's heavy. It's been compacted for millions of years, and it's like crystallized into this hard,
Shark tooth and I dropped it.
iron hard gem.
Look at this, Mike.
You know, it's not what we intended to catch. We'll take it.
Mike,
You got me.
is this not the coolest shell? Look how it is, dude. That is awesome.
That is-
Seriously? Take a closer look
Wait a
at this,
minute,
guys.
zoom in on that. I thought you pulled that off a piece of jewelry or something.
What is that? It's beautiful. Bleach that, make a necklace out of that. I mean, look at the detail. It's like all eroded, but perfectly. I guarantee this has been here probably maybe 50 to 100 years right here.
That's,
Dude,
the billions. What do you
at
guys
this.
think? Is that in the billions? I think it's in the billion. 50 to 100 years. That's like as old
I meant
as
to
me.
say billion. All right.
I'm older than
I
that.
put it in my bikini.
I don't know if you guys can tell on the video or not. This water is like nice and warm, so that makes it kind of easy to do this because it's just like therapeutic.
Mike,
Now it's really warm.
no, I'm just kidding, guys. That was just a skit. It didn't really happen. Just a joke.
Yeah, it did.
All
It
right.
smelled like it
I
happened.
got one. It's broken though.
Let's go. You can see the gum line there. This is the back of a tiger shark.
Oh wow.
Makos are skinny and elongated.
Yeah.
Tiger sharks have that serrated edge
Oh.
there. Like that.
Oh,
You
like
could
that
actually
spiky.
use that as like
What'd you get?
an arrow tip if you wanted to take
Oh,
out a
that's
small
so cool.
buck.
Wait. What in God's green earth
That's
did
a
I?
horse. That's a spine. That's a dinosaur spine.
No way.
I swear.
You're kidding me.
No, I'm not joking. That's a dinosaur spine.
What the heck? No way.
Yes, put that in the thing. Lord, bring
Are
that
you
thing there,
kidding me?
please. That's a dinosaur
Are you
spine.
freaking, bro?
All right.
Hold up.
That is 100% dinosaur spine.
What the heck is that?
Not a dinosaur.
That's a rock.
spine.
All right. Oh, I'm sorry.
That,
Let me wash it off.
look at, that's the vertebrae.
I dropped it.
Oh, no.
I dropped it.
You're about to get slam dunked.
I'm sorry.
Look at that.
I'm not meaning
You
to
guys
hit you.
see that?
Is that legit?
I'm not even joking. That's like your spine, okay? That's
definitely a
that's
spine.
some type of dinosaur. Look how big that is. Okay, so
Hold
we
it
didn't
out.
find the shark's teeth we're looking for, but we're finding. These are legit, 100% real fossils. And this place is just loaded with cool stuff like that. All right, guys, so this is the biggest one we found all day. And look at that. It almost looks like a bull shark tooth.
That's giant.
That's a decent one.
That's epic,
We're
guys.
hoping to find some huge ones, but it
I'll
doesn't
put it
matter.
in.
I mean, you're constantly finding stuff out here. You just gotta keep sifting through.
The garbage.
Oh, here we go. What was that? Type of coyote yellow? Here's another one. Look.
Are you serious?
It's the same.
I found a fossil.
Well, I'm on them now. Look at that one. Oh, look at this. Cam, I don't know. You guys zoom in on this? Look at this one. Check how cool this is. This one is actually like hooked back. I don't know what that is. I mean, I know a little bit about shark's teeth, but I've never seen one that's hooked back like that. Maybe it's like some type of, I don't, maybe this guy coming up the river knows what it is, but he's not getting on my honey hole. I'm on him right now and I'm not moving. I don't care if that boat comes. Because I just found 2 right here. And that's the biggest one I found all day.
Someone just jumped off the bridge.
What was that? You see the way it's hooked? That's sick.
Yo,
Dude,
this is the fossil. Look at this. What the hell is that?
I'm telling you, these are all dinosaur bones.
No way, bro.
Yes. Yes. These are dinosaur bones. This is not like...
Look at this, dude.
We're not in the back of Winn-Dixie.
I have no freaking idea. Do you know what this is? This
Don't throw
another?
that, please. That's I swear to God, those are dinosaur bones.
I literally almost threw that away. I thought it was garbage.
No, these are like, we're gonna go back home when we get enough of them. We're gonna
Oh,
put
another
this thing,
shark tooth.
We're gonna put
Little
it all
one.
together.
This is like really, that's 100% a shark tooth right there.
I got a shark tooth.
Hey.
I got him. Wait, what's that?
You find any, Lauren? You get another one? Is it hooked backwards?
Oh,
Okay,
flounder,
wait a
flounder.
second.
Check it
Now
out.
That one
Another flounder right there.
almost looks like a baby mako.
Oh, and he's gone. And it's gone.
She just found this one here, and it almost looks like a baby mako shark. See how it's skinny and long, and it kind of bends in? That's a mako shark. How cool is that?
That's so cool.
So, we came up here with the intention we were going to fill the whole truck with shark's teeth, and this is pretty much what we found.
Which is just as cool.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so maybe 20 shark's teeth. We didn't go to the spot we were hoping to go to. There was a lot of people in that area, so we wanted to try to explore and see if we could stumble onto something really cool. And I've got a flounder going in my shoe right now. But anyway, we had a good time today. If you guys get a chance, check out Ryan's show. What's the name of the show?
Ryan is fishing.
Ryan is fishing. Today is the first time we did a video together. We're going to hopefully do a lot more in the future.
Oh, for sure.
And we can't wait to see.
Good
If you got any
vibes.
ideas of what you'd like to see us do, go ahead and leave that in the description below. And we'll see you on the next adventure. Ryan is fishing right here.
Oh,
You doing me?
no.
Am I doing you?
I'm gonna pretend to be you. Ready?
Hey, we're matching.
I'm gonna pretend to be you. For real. Ready?
Be real. Be real.
What's up, everybody? Mike from Real Cool Adventures. We got Ryan is fishing, my daughter Lauren, and his girlfriend
Nailed
Sophie.
it.
We got Cam behind the camera, and there's a leaf on my foot.